All right. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am back out here again, shelling corn. Trying to see if I can find a spot to put you guys. So, you guys join me back out here again. Back out here again, shelling corn. I think half of, the piece that went in there. Yeah, and that'll happen sometimes, you guys, where top will break. Some sometimes the corn sheller doesn't take all the kernels off. So, yeah, just trying to get, some of this done. So yeah, I'm not going to my cousin's tonight because he has to bring his kid to wrestling practice tonight, so we can't hang out tonight, and I'm gonna have to wait until freaking tomorrow to do it, hang out with him. And as much as I'm gonna hate waiting, I really don't got a choice, because he's got a life, obviously. He's married, got 2 kids and everything, so yeah. But anyway, yeah, it's just how life goes. So, yeah. It's gonna be pretty cold tomorrow, so me even trying to do anything tomorrow would typically, or basically, I guess, equate to no shelling corn. Or it would be really really cold. So, yeah. So yeah, I do got the little tin can that sits way at the bottom, or sits on the other side of the coffee can over here, which you guys can't see it because it's off camera. And that dang trash and that dang bag came off of it again. Yeah, and I just hold my hand on here like that because otherwise it'll move around and then it doesn't do so hot. And we're good yet. So I don't have all of the FS25 season 13 episodes that I did yesterday. So basically, more or less, what's going to happen is tomorrow I'm going to have to try and get some more of them done, or some more episodes uploaded. And I also got another LEGO Speed Champions car. Not the one I wanted, but I'll take it and I'll build it. Which I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet. Probably not till tomorrow. If I can't hang out with my cousin tomorrow, then more or less what's going to happen is you guys will probably get a second part to the February 6th vlog, that will be Friday. So tomorrow, there is corn that's built up underneath in here. This is completely falling apart right now as I speak. And the duct tape is so bad it doesn't hold anymore. It holds to some of it, but not all of it. So yeah, this chute is coming apart, which means I'm gonna have to put a whole new one together on here before I we'll have to figure something out. So I'll have to figure something out with that. So, yeah, now we get to this, which doesn't have an end on it. And there's a few kernels missing, but sheesh. there. So yeah, it does get tiring sitting here only shelling corn for yeah, this one's full. So I gotta move you guys. I gotta hold you guys in while I move these around. So I gotta put you guys down like that. While I get this. Okay. Sheesh. And I broke the tip off of it. So I kind of like the ice cream pails better than using the coffee cans. And yeah, they're just a lot nicer, and they take up the whole space at the bottom. So then they don't, you know, so they won't be so dang. So there won't be so much corn loss. Yeah. Yeah, there just isn't too many big ones left. There's only a few small ones. There's a few big ones left in the tub, which I'm going to be getting at to next, which is another red one, which also apparently has a hole in it. So I am a little skeptical about what I might find in there towards the bottom. But I haven't seen no mice in here at all. And I mean, there hasn't been no mice in here, like, whatsoever. And that's a good thing. You know, yeah, they're trying to dig their way inside, but they aren't going to get far before they even go to the rat poison. So Yeah, usually how I make these chutes for the corn sheller is I just cut out the bottom of a Walmart grocery bag and I just try and get it to fit the best I can on here, and then I use a bunch of duct tape, and then I use cardboard for some shields that I have for the holes on the corn sheller. Not for the top ones up here, but I mean more like for the bottom. And yes, some of these little ones I'm going to have to shell by hand. So, yeah. So, yeah, it's... So, anyway. Yeah, and then I gotta clean the... Wow. It's missing a lot of corn. I didn't realize how much corn it was missing. So, yeah, I've been busy, you guys, trying to get corn shelled, and even though the concert is only 135 days away, we still don't have a lot going on. And then plus during the summertime, I will be busy out in the field helping my grandpa with a bunch of stuff. So, yeah. Well, that's a whole pail load done in one video. I gotta clean some of this up here, especially some of it around the pails and stuff. And if you guys are wondering how I even clean this place, I use a shop vac I use the one out of the machine shed to vacuum this place out, which to be honest takes a little while, but oh well, that's fine. So I guess yeah, so I'm gonna go grab another pail load and I'll bring you guys back for another part.